At Apollo, sustainability is a key tenet in our strategy going forward.
Our key sustainability objectives are climate change, circular economy, and diversity, equity, inclusion.
We really see both the opportunities to make a positive impact, both from the environmental perspective and making sure we're building an inclusive environment. It really makes a large difference.
We have net zero goals of scopes 1 and 2 net zero by 2040 and scopes 3 net zero by 2050.
Whether it's solar panels, electrical vehicle charging or the cleaning products we use, the link between facilities management and sustainability has never been greater. Our facilities team have just introduced an energy management software. This will allow us to monitor, manage and optimise our energy usage.
We take pride in our zero to landfill factory, where sustainability is not just a goal. Our commitment to the environment is evident in our recycling practices, returnable tonnage for some of our higher running mouldings, and our ongoing efforts to minimise scrap.
We actively support diversity, equity and inclusion through our hiring and internal practices. We also offer cultural awareness training for all our staff. We promote employee wellbeing through volunteer days and support charities that our staff hold dear to their hearts. Our extensive employee assistance programme also promotes health awareness campaigns throughout the year.
We want to bring sustainability into the culture of our supply chain, make it as important as cost, quality and fulfilment. We want our suppliers to come on board with us and understand their impacts on sustainability and what we can do to reduce our impact.
At Apollo, our commitment to a greener future is to really embrace sustainable product design.
Our journey towards sustainable products begins with being able to measure the carbon footprint, internally with life cycle analysis, and to our customers using a TM65 tool.
At Soteria, we have 3 main products in the range: a heat detector, optical and a multi-detector. And they've been designed with dust prevention. Whilst it is possible to clean the detectors, in truth probably people start to then replace them over time, so Soteria could last much longer and that makes it more sustainable.
I have done some research into more sustainable plastics, such as using bioplastics or reintroducing old plastic from our products into new ones. It's a very difficult project to tackle, but we believe that it can make a huge impact on the sustainability of our products.
The future for Apollo looks like trying to maximise any wastage that we might have with our current products and reducing our overall environmental footprint, ensuring a happier, healthier planet for generations to come.
With a robust sustainability plan, we are dedicated to a greener future.
We haven't just got a commitment to our customers, it's about what we do ourselves and again to our employees.
I know that we've got a sustainability team here that is committed to working on moving the environmental programs forward, and now it's a matter of making sure that we don't lose any more momentum, that we continue to move forward and embed it into the entire business.